Hello, everyone. Welcome back.
Hi there. I'm Tom.
And I'm Lucy. Tom, can I ask everyone to imagine something?
Of course.
Everyone listening, imagine this scenario.
You step into an elevator,
And there's someone important inside.
maybe a CEO, a potential employer, or a business leader.
The doors close. You have 30 seconds.
Just 30 seconds to introduce yourself.
What do you say?
Most people panic.
But today, we're teaching you the perfect elevator pitch.
A 30 to 60-second introduction that can change your life.
Let's begin.
So, Lucy, what exactly is an elevator pitch?
Great question.
I've heard this term, but what does it mean?
An elevator pitch is a brief, powerful introduction about yourself.
How brief?
30 to 60 seconds.
That's very short.
Yes, short enough to deliver during an elevator ride.
Ah, that's why it's called an elevator pitch.
Exactly. Imagine you step into an elevator with a CEO.
You have maybe 30 seconds before they reach their floor.
Can you introduce yourself clearly and memorably in that time?
That's the challenge.
But it's not just for elevators.
Really? When else do you use it?
Networking events,
Job fairs,
business conferences,
meeting new colleagues.
even social gatherings with professionals.
So it's your professional introduction.
Your professional story in 1 minute.
Now, what should you include in those 30 to 60 seconds?
Let me teach you the formula.
There's a formula?
Yes, 4 simple parts.
Tell me.
Part 1. Who you are, your name.
Hi, I'm Tom.
Simple and clear.
Part 2.
What you do, your job or profession.
I'm an English teacher.
Or I'm a software engineer.
I work in marketing.
I'm studying business.
Keep it simple.
Part 3. What makes you unique or interesting?
Your specialty or passion.
I specialize in helping professionals with business English.
I'm passionate about sustainable fashion.
I focus on mobile app development.
This is what makes you different.
Part 4. What you're looking for.
This part is optional.
I'm currently looking for opportunities in tech.
I'm interested in connecting with marketing professionals.
I'd love to learn more about your company.
Let me put it all together.
Yes, build a complete pitch.
Hi, I'm Tom. I am an English teacher specializing in business English for professionals. I'm passionate about helping international teams communicate more effectively. I'd love to hear about your language learning challenges.
Perfect. That's a complete elevator pitch.
How long was that?
About 30 seconds.
And it covered everything.
Who you are, what you do, what makes you unique, and what you want.
Now let me give some more examples.
Please.
Example 1. A tech professional.
I'm listening.
Hi, I'm Sarah. I'm a software developer focusing on mobile applications. I'm passionate about creating apps that make people's lives easier. Currently, I'm looking for opportunities to work with innovative startups. What brings you to this event?
Excellent.
Example 2. A marketing professional.
Go ahead.
Hello, I'm Michael. I work in digital marketing, helping small businesses grow their online presence. What I love about my work is seeing companies succeed through smart social media strategies. I'm always interested in meeting other marketing professionals.
Great. Let me give one.
Please.
Hi, I'm Anna. I'm a business student at City University, graduating next year. I'm particularly interested in sustainable business practices. I'm looking for internship opportunities in companies that prioritize environmental responsibility. Do you know anyone in that field?
Perfect. That's a student version.
Yes, students can use elevator pitches too.
One more example.
Okay,
Hi, I'm David. I am transitioning from teaching into instructional design. I am passionate about creating engaging online learning experiences. I am currently building my portfolio and would love to connect with people in the e-learning industry.
that's great for someone changing careers.
Exactly.
I have a student named Jasmine.
Tell us about her.
Jasmine is a graphic designer.
Okay.
She attended a networking event and was very nervous.
Networking events can be intimidating.
But she had practiced her elevator pitch with me.
What was her pitch?
Hi, I'm Jasmine. I'm a graphic designer specializing in branding for food businesses. I love helping restaurants and cafes create memorable visual identities. I'm currently looking for freelance projects.
That's specific and clear.
A restaurant owner was at the event.
Really?
He loved her pitch.
What happened?
He hired her for a branding project.
From 30 seconds.
Yes, one elevator pitch opened that door.
That's the power of a good pitch.
Now let's talk about what to do and what not to do.
Yes, this is important.
First, the do's.
Keep it 30 to 60 seconds.
Practice timing yourself.
Use simple, clear English.
No complicated words.
Show enthusiasm for your work.
Smile and make eye contact.
End with a question or invitation,
Practice until it feels natural.
but not robotic.
Be yourself. Authenticity matters.
Now the don'ts.
Don't speak too fast.
This happens when you're nervous.
Don't use jargon or technical terms.
Keep it simple.
Don't sound like you're selling something.
You're introducing yourself, not selling.
Don't memorize word for word.
It sounds robotic.
Don't be too modest or too boastful.
Find the balance.
Don't go over 1 minute.
People lose attention.
Don't just talk about yourself.
Engage the other person.
I have a student named Raphael.
What happened with Raphael?
Raphael went to his first networking event,
Good for him.
but his elevator pitch was too long.
How long?
2 minutes.
That's too much.
And he used very technical language.
What happened?
He lost people's attention. They looked bored.
Oh no.
So I helped him cut it to 45 seconds.
Much better.
And use simpler language.
Did it work?
At the next event, his pitch was perfect.
Wonderful.
He made 3 valuable connections,
That's great.
and one became his business partner.
From learning to shorten his pitch.
Exactly. Length matters.
Now, how should people practice?
Let me share the practice methods.
Please.
First, write it out. Maximum 150 words.
Write it down first.
Then read it out loud 10 times.
Out loud is important.
Record yourself and listen back.
You'll hear what needs improvement.
Practice in front of a mirror.
Watch your body language.
Time yourself. Should be 30 to 60 seconds.
Practice with a friend or family member.
Get feedback.
Adapt and refine based on what you learn.
And have 2 or 3 versions for different situations.
Different versions.
Yes, a formal version for business conferences.
A casual version for social networking.
A job-seeking version emphasizing what you want.
A networking version emphasizing what you offer.
Adapt for the situation.
What about delivery tips?
Very important.
Speak clearly and at a moderate pace.
Don't rush. This is common when nervous.
Smile. It shows you're approachable.
Make eye contact. Natural, not staring.
Use open body language.
Stand or sit up straight.
Show genuine enthusiasm.
Pause briefly between sections.
And end with engagement.
A question or invitation to connect.
What if someone is very nervous?
That's normal.
Everyone gets nervous.
Remember, people want to know about you.
They're interested.
Start with a deep breath.
It calms you down.
It's okay to be a little nervous.
Focus on the message, not perfection.
The more you practice, the easier it gets.
The first time is the hardest.
After that, it gets smoother.
Everyone was a beginner once.
Most people are friendly and supportive.
Now, what about online?
Great question.
Elevator pitches aren't just in person.
You can use them on LinkedIn,
In emails.
in your bio.
How is it different?
Online versions are shorter,
How short?
2 to 3 sentences.
Example.
Marketing professional helping small businesses grow through social media, passionate about sustainable brands, always interested in connecting with fellow marketers.
Concise and clear.
Same components, just more compact.
Perfect for online networking.
Let's review everything.
Great idea.
An elevator pitch is a 30 to 60 second professional introduction.
The formula has 4 parts.
Who you are, what you do, what makes you unique, what you want.
Keep it simple and clear.
Practice until natural, not robotic.
End with engagement.
a question, or invitation.
Be authentic and enthusiastic.
Adapt for different situations.
Don't go over 60 seconds.
Use simple language, not jargon.
Practice, practice, practice.
Now we have a challenge for you.
A challenge?
Yes, today, write your elevator pitch.
Right now.
Use the four-part formula.
Who you are, what you do, what makes you unique, what you want.
Keep it under 60 seconds.
Then practice it 10 times out loud.
Tomorrow, practice 10 more times.
By next week, you'll have it memorized naturally.
And the next time you meet someone important,
You'll be ready.
this one skill opens so many doors.
Job opportunities,
Business connections,
professional relationships.
all from 30 seconds,
You can do this.
even as an English learner.
Your English doesn't need to be perfect.
Clear and authentic is what matters.
Great job today, everyone.
You learned how to create the perfect elevator pitch.
Thank you for learning with us.
Please subscribe to our channel.
And click the like button.
Now go write your pitch.
See you next time.
Goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye.
Pronounce faster.